Hey, fitness enthusiasts, ready to unlock fitness paradise at sea? Stick around till the end for an exclusive tip that will transform your cruise workout routine. And at the end, learn about IFAT going live every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Scarlet Lady by Virgin Voyages is not your average cruise ship. It's a floating fitness paradise where wellness and adventure intertwine. This ship boasts a state-of-the-art fitness center, a stunning swimming pool, and a diverse range of wellness activities. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the Scarlet Lady caters to all. From the moment you step on board, you'll feel a sense of rejuvenation and a desire to embrace an active lifestyle. The Scarlet Lady's Fitness Center is a haven for fitness enthusiasts of all levels. Equipped with cutting-edge techno gym machines, it offers a comprehensive workout experience. From treadmills and ellipticals to free weights and resistance training equipment, you'll find everything you need to challenge yourself. Large windows offer panoramic views of the ocean, creating an inspiring and uplifting atmosphere. Feel like a dip? The Scarlet Lady also boasts a stunning swimming pool, perfect for a refreshing dip or laps to improve your cardiovascular health. For those who enjoy group fitness, the Scarlet Lady offers a dynamic schedule of classes led by experienced instructors. From Zumba and yoga to Pilates and spin, there's something for everyone. The Scarlet Lady's fitness classes are designed to be both challenging and enjoyable, ensuring that you get a great workout while having a memorable experience. What was your favorite cruise fitness activity? Please share with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you prefer a more personalized approach to fitness, the Scarlet Lady offers personal training sessions with certified trainers. These trainers can create customized workout plans tailored to your individual needs and goals. Whether you're looking to build strength, improve endurance, or simply stay active, a personal trainer can provide the guidance and support you need. Here's the surprise: a playground for adults. The top deck buzzes with energy as guests delight in the playful seesaws, bounce on trampolines, and sway on swings. Passengers on the Scarlet Lady are seen embracing the vibrant wellness areas, from sparring in the boxing ring to finding zen in sunrise yoga classes on the deck. The Scarlet Lady redefines the concept of fitness at sea. It's not just about providing facilities, it's about creating an immersive wellness experience that elevates your entire cruise journey. Thank you for joining our tour of the Scarlet Lady's top deck fitness and wellness offerings. Remember to learn more about booking your next adventure. Visit infinityfunandtravel.com or call us at 855-229-5723. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Want more travel tips and exclusive cruise deals? Subscribe to our channel and visit infinityfunandtravel.com today. Join us live on YouTube every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time for exclusive interviews with our agency's very own business development manager from one of our cruise line partners. Each week, we'll bring you insider tips, the latest cruise deals, and unique experiences from our trusted partners. This is the perfect opportunity to ask questions and get expert advice directly from the pros. Don't miss out. What now, jerky? Set your reminder now.